let's answer this direct message. Ang sabi niya sa akin is, tawag dito. Hi po, ask ko lang po if want daw pumasok sa BPO industry. Ano-ano daw po yung kailangan when it comes to computer. So, first of all, I wanted to say thank you for your interest in joining sa BPO industry. So, everyone is welcome in the BPO industry as long as you are trainable and willing to learn and adapt to the fast-paced environment of the BPO industry. Okay, literal talaga na fast B. Kaya alam mo yan. Okay, so when it comes to computer requirements, here are the basic things that you'll need to know. So first of all, basic computer literacy. Okay, you need how to turn on the computer or laptop man yan. Okay, dapat alam mo kung saan yung power switch. Okay, or if ever matanggal man yung cord, marunong kang isaksak ulit. Okay, and then of course, you need to know how to use the mouse, right click, left click, yung scroll bar, o yung scroll button, ganon. Syempre, yung keyboard, yung mga basic na control V, control P, or kung hindi mo man yan alam, pwede naman sa right click or left click, ganon. Then, of course, on how to navigate the desktop, like, asan ba yung start button, yung menu, asan ba yung tawag dito, paano ba mag-switch ng different tabs, or paano ba mag-drag and drop ng window, ganon, ganyan. And then, or tab, or website, ganon. Next is number 2, of course, your typing skills. Okay, so at least 35 to 40 words per minute or more would do. Kasi kapag makikipag-usap ka sa customer, dapat tinitake down note mo yung sinasabi niya para hindi ka pa ulit-ulit ng tanong. Para kang investigador. Ma'am, ano po ba yung nangyari dito? So, ganito po kasi yung nangyari, ma'am. Ganito ganyan. You need jot down. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na yung sinabi talaga ni customer yung ilalagay mo doon. Like, key points lang na. Okay? Pwede kang like one word lang tapos bullet form. Okay? May sunog. Next is ganito, ganyan. Next is nawalan siya ng service kasi nawala yung cellphone. Syempre, mawala talaga yung service. Ganon. Ganon siya. You can do bullet form. And then, kapag magdo-documentation, dun ka lang parang like full documentation, dun mo na siya pwedeng gawin mo siyang phrase or pwede mo na siyang gawan na sentence talaga or paragraph. Okay? Ganun siya. Meron akong separate video on how I do notes. Okay? Based sa account ko. Telco prepaid account. Next is number 3 is familiarity with like example, Google Docs, Gmail, Google Chrome, paano mag-download ng screenshot, parang tawag dun, parang add-ons dun sa website para makapag-screenshot ka directly, ganun. Tapos, paano mag-X, paano mag-duplicate, para at least alam mo na para mabilis ka din, ganun. Paano kapag nag-hang yung, or nag-lag yung computer, paano mo siya ita-troubleshoot, para hindi lang ma-disconnect yung call yun ni customer, ganun. And next is web navigation. So, your ability to search online, use multiple tabs, dapat naka-organize yun, and troubleshoot basic internet or browser issue. Let's say, pag nawala ka ng internet, paano mo siya like, parang i-refresh, like, i-forget password mo, tapos lagay mo ulit yung password mo, paano ka magla-login using yung password mo, yung username mo, ganon. And of course, email etiquette or group chat etiquette. Hindi ka kasi pwedeng mag-chat-chat ng kung kani-kanino, tapos yung kausap mo is OMB, dapat professional. Okay, so kung pwedeng mag-Tagalog, hindi go, pero professional pa din. Hindi yung sasabihan mo yung boss mo, natang ina mo boss, kasi hindi talaga pwede yun. Okay? Bawal, attitude kalye sa BPO industry. Kung ano ka man, tawag dito is attitude mo is pang kalye. Yes, pwede mo naman siyang i-improve kasi i-coach ka naman about professionalism, ganon. Basta ilugar mo yung attitude mo. And yung words na ginagamit mo, if napaka-vulgar mo, and yung parang direct talaga, tapos walang filter, you need to work on it. Okay? And then next is multitasking. So, switching between systems or tools while talking to a customer. So, multitask talaga. Madali lang naman siya. Alam mo, meron pa nga kaming mga 40 years old, 45 years old na mga agents. Kayang-kaya nila, P. Okay, kayang-kaya nila. Wala yan sa age. Okay? Basta as long as healthy sila, nakakapag-usap sila sa customer, nagkakaintindihan sila, then you're good to go. Okay? You're good. You're in good hands. Okay? And makakaroon ka ng sahod. Basta wag ka lang pala absent. Ganun, without any valid reason. Next, so, tip is, to sum it all up, is you don't really need to be tech savvy, like parang expert ka, dapat graduate ka ng computer na course or IT. No, you don't need that one. Ako nga, hindi nga ako IT, pero yung course ko is eduk or pagiging teacher, di ba? Hindi naman kailangan basta nagkakaintindihan ka ng customer, marunong ka sumagot in a professional way, and na-assist mo yung customer, then go. Okay? And as long as willing ka din to learn, hindi mo parang didibdibin yung mga low lights na sinasabi ng TL mo. Kapag kinoach ka, magpa-coach ka. Wag yung parang hindi ka, like, it's good to be submissive kapag merong respect. Pero if you feel na parang, ay, ginagago na ata ako ng TL ko, ganun, then speak up. Speak up in a professional way. Don't just, parang, wag mo hayaan na i-micromanage ka. If alam mo sa sarili mong may point ka, then go for it. Pero, just don't shout at people. Porket sinisigawan ka ng customer or nilalait ka ng customer, maninigaw ka din to take revenge, ganun. Wag mong ibundil yung galit mo na para sa customer sana, sa ibang tao. Be professional. Hala, kahit lait-laitin mo man yung customer, pero i-mute mo lang si customer, ha? Yung screen, like, kakainis kang customer, ganyan. Sige, okay lang yan. Basta hindi ka marinig ni customer, hindi ka rin marinig ng QA. Okay? And, yeah, that would be all. And if you wanted to know more tips about BPO industry that nobody has shared to you, then I'm willing to answer your DMs, your comments, and etc. Just give me time, guys, okay? Kasi 1 a.m. to 10 p.m. po yung shift ko. So, I'm free 12 noon up until sa gabi. And day off ko is Saturday and Sunday, okay? So, yes, that will be all. And if you wanted to follow for more, so kita-kits on the next videos. Bye for now!